Hi everyone, today we'll talk about a Sharp MD portable recorder, model number MD-MT190H. So this is from 2002. So since in 2000 Sony launched the MD players and the MiniDisc was quite popular, so Sharp also wanted to take some their share from the market, and they launched couple of portable mini disc players, and this was one of their high end, and in 2002 it was sold around 130 to 170 pounds, depends upon the model. H and S was 170 and only 190 H was 130 pounds. So basically those were the prices, and I just walk you through the features. Here you have a recording mode, and you have a bass and menu and charging, and also you can do enter here, and this is reverse, forward, and volume up and down. You can see plus and minus. This is play and pause, and this is stop. And if you go here, then you press and it opens. So here you basically put the mini disc, and on this side you have a headphone connector and also the remote. The headphone connector has a buttons also for play, reverse, and forward, and all those things you can do through it. And this is a line in, and this is a microphone input. And here you have DC 5-volt in, and here you can also connect a battery separately, which works with only one battery like this. So this was coming with it. You can have a look. So basically this is the battery connector. You put one battery, 1.5 voltage, and then you put it like that, and I show you to connect here, and then you have to lock it. You move this side, it has a screw, and it's get connected, and then it's there, and you can use it. And this is on and off, and you see on the screen hold is on. Now it can work on the battery simultaneously. Also that work, and here it has a also rechargeable battery also inside. You can see this NIMH battery, and this is for 1.2 1400 microamperes. I don't think that battery can charge anymore due to the age. So but the replacement of these batteries are available on eBay. People are selling, so if somebody wanted to replace this battery, can be done also. Otherwise you use normal 1.5 AAA size double A size battery in this compartment, and you are good to go. But this has a more life because it has 1.4 ampere, so it lasts longer than this one. And here clear symbol that plus has to go on this side. You put it and close. Very basic. So we try to connect with the power supply, and we go here and go release, and then you take it out. So I have the original power supply with it, and from the Sharp, from this. So we put it here, press, hold off, now hold on, and just to listen it, let me connect to my Bose speaker so we can hear the sound, because this used to be for the headphones only. So I have to connect through this jack to my Bose speakers. and now they are connected. But I will also put the remote headphone connector so we can change the tricks with this. So here is the remote controller. You have play button, reverse, forward, stop, and volume control also, and the bass also. And this is the connector which goes here. I think other way around. Yes. And now let's connect this to the speaker, and my Bose sound link will play the sound. Let me choose one MD to play the music. Okay, let's try this MD. We open it, and then it goes this way. Yeah, this white should be up, and now it's a hello bass 1 TOC reading. You can see on display, and we can play. We can use the remote control also. Number 2, 14, this is going back. And we can do the bass also. Bass 2, 3. Bass off, bass 1, bass 2, and bass 3. You can do from there also. This is the volume. It goes up to 30. Sound good. The buttons here. Number 3 track, number 4, number 5, volume less, up high, and this is pause, play. Let's try some other music. Let's try this one. Okay, TOC reading, and let's play. I think bass is too much for this one. 2. Number 3.
Well, it's about love, you know, not money. It's about till death do us part. Who shall be buried? Diniman and Jamelia. This thing right here.
The songs also from year 2000. What do you think?
What guys talk about? You know, the finer things in life. Check it out. Ooh, that dress so scandalous, and you know I never can handle it. So you're shaking that thing like who's the ish? With the look in your eyes so devilish. You like to dance on the hip hop spots. You cruise to the cruise like an actor dot.
5. Number 6.
I'm going down, baby. Yo, street in the rain. Come on.
One thing I wanted to mention here, this MD player cannot play high MD. That's only few particular models of Sony they can play. High MD, basically the disk capacity was up to 1 gigabyte, and the aim was that people can save up to 34 hours of music on them, and they are very compressed music, and it's only play on 94 kilobyte per second speed. But this MD player doesn't play high MD. Also Ava also made, and Panasonic also made the MD players, but they cannot also play the high MD. High MD only Sony's particular model they can play. This play only the normal MDs, mini discs. And this normal MDs, you can record the music or playback music up till 90 minutes, 1.5 hours basically, not more than that. This sounds good.
Y'all can't stop me now. Listen to me now. I'm lasting 20 rounds. And if you want me, then come on get me now. Is you with me now? Then biggie bounce. I know you dig the way I switch my style. Holla, holla. People sing around. The people gather round. The people jump around. Get your freak on. Get your freak on. Get your freak on. Get your freak on. Oh yeah, baby. It's that joint right there. Oh, come on. Yeah.
Ladies, make it hot. Thugs, make it hot. Make it pop.
Chihuahua riding, bang bang. Chihuahua riding, bang bang. Chihuahua riding, bang bang. Chihuahua riding, he really work my body. He really turn me out. He really got the goodness. He really made me scream and shout. He really taught me how to work my body. Say it. My name is Say it. Bow wow.
feeling. Broadcast live to you and yours. It's Mr. X to the Z exhibit. Yeah, bouncing. Come on, the first day of the rest of my life. X stand behind the mic like Walter Cronkite. Y'all keep the spotlight. I'm keeping my bombs tight. Lose sight of what you believe and call it a night. This ain't the lightweight cake mix shit that you're used to. Teflon.
I'll shit on you. I'll shit on you. I'll shit.
Yeah, so now you have it. This MD has 18 tracks total. Let's try 3 more.
You know, people just don't see how much work is really involved in this rap shit. I didn't know it. I didn't see it. I never saw it until I was actually in it. You really gotta be in it to understand what it's like. But people always gotta see you smile. You always gotta put on that fake, you know what I'm saying? Like, no matter what you just been
you
through,
wanna be a rap
shit has gotta be
superstar
right.
and live large, big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody. Gotta look over your shoulder constantly. I remember the days when I was a young kid growing up, looking.
What you want from me? Tell me what you want from me? Once again, we back.
Now all these new niggas trying to bust rates, keep trying, I'm shitting all over your tape and your CDs. You see these niggas with the weed leaves, you need these.
Yeah, I hope you like the video and see this blast from the past from 2002 Sharp MD portable recorder. Thank you for watching.